si Lolo, yung na nasa gigi. Mamaya na. Yan na si Lolo. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the 18 roses. Rose is a timeless flower. The rose is not love, a symbol of secret powerful emotions. From love, passion, and admiration. To name but a few roses are the perfect embodiment of our strongest feeling and desires. The 18 roses signify the 18 very special gentlemen na mahalaga sa buhay ng ating celebrant. As your name is called, it is your chance to offer a flower and to dance with our debutant. Our persons for the 18 roses. Tawagan pa natin si Lolo Bernardo Tamundong. Yan, at tutuhayan po natin ang pagsayaw ng kanyang lolo, ang kanyang first dance.